This is Christian, founder and CEO of WBN, the Industrial B2B Social Network, an American company with headquarters in Miami, Florida. WBN was created to help global companies to connect directly with distributors, manufacturers, and buyers to establish a strong business relationship and confidence, everything for free. And this way, making the import and export trade business available for everyone in few clicks and from home. We have designed 25 regional web platforms to recreate a global trade shows environment in Italy, France, Germany, United Kingdom, Russia, for Europe. Miami, Texas, Atlanta, California, New York, United States, and Canada for North America, Chile, Peru, Brazil, and Mexico for Latin America, Egypt, Africa, Dubai, Saudi Arabia, Indonesia, India, Australia, Japan, and China to support the global market. Just register and log in into any of our websites for free to enjoy the best business-to-business experience. Thank you very much.